Hey everyone! Have you ever felt overwhelmed while trying to learn something new? Maybe you're juggling too much theory without enough practice, or you're rushing to learn everything at once. In this video, I'll share proven strategies to help you learn anything faster by focusing on balance and patience. Let's jump in. Part 1. Why do we struggle to learn quickly? The biggest mistake most people make is trying to learn too much at once. This overloads your brain and makes it harder to retain information. Think of it like overwatering a plant. It doesn't grow faster, it just drowns. To truly master a skill, you need to pace yourself and focus on gradual, consistent growth. Part 2. The best way to learn faster. Here's the secret. Balance theory and practice. Theory gives you the framework and understanding. When you combine these two in a balanced way, you achieve optimum skill growth. For example, if you're learning a language, spend some time studying grammar, theory, and then use it in conversation, practice. Part 3. Steps to learn smarter, not harder. 1. Learn slowly and steadily. Break your learning into smaller, manageable chunks. 1. Focus on mastering one concept at a time. 2. Apply what you learn. Don't just absorb information, practice it immediately. 2. This helps reinforce what you've learned. 3. Reflect and adjust. After practicing, take a moment to reflect on what worked and what didn't. 3. Adjust your approach as needed. 3 actionable steps to start learning faster today. 1. Prioritize one skill. Pick one area to focus on and avoid multitasking. 1. For example, if you're learning guitar, focus on mastering chords before moving to complex techniques. 2. Set practice goals. Allocate specific time for practice and stick to it. 2. Aim for 30-60 minutes a day to create consistency. 3. Review regularly. Revisit what you've learned to strengthen retention and identify gaps. 3. Use techniques like active recall or spaced repetition. Conclusion. Learning isn't about rushing. It's about consistent, intentional effort. By balancing theory and practice, prioritizing one skill, and practicing patience, you'll achieve faster and more sustainable growth. So, what skill are you excited to learn next? Let me know in the comments. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with others on their learning journey. See you in the next one.